home working. He wasn't able to take off today, but he's going to come and meet me either tonight or tomorrow whenever he gets up. I'm trying to head to a place called Valentine Lake. This is in Kisatchie National Forest, and it's a very small campground, maybe about 10 sites, but it's really pretty. I'm hoping that since it's early Thursday morning, there won't be anybody already there. If it's already full or if there's only funky campsites, then I'm going to try to go to Indian Creek, which we camped there last year in March. And if Indian Creek is full, then I'm going to try to go to Chico State Park. And if there are no sites at Chico State Park, then I'm going to go home. Luckily, all of these are within a 2-hour drive, so it's not a terrible drive. But I'm driving the Tundra. I have the dogs in the back. I don't know if you can see him. Chico's in his basket. So hopefully we get a good campsite, and I will show you whenever we get there. Pretty good. I don't know why I never use it. Have a little snack. Got these strawberries. They're not local. Hopefully they don't taste too terrible. Blueberries. Oh, they're organic. No wonder they were so expensive. Extra creamy ready whip. There's only less than 1 carb in 2 tablespoons of this, so you really can eat quite a bit of it and not have to worry about it. Which is a good thing, because I mean, who doesn't love whipped cream, right? And to have a little bit of texture, a little bit of crunch, I'm going to use some of these graham crackers. I'll be eating s'mores tomorrow night, not tonight. I don't feel like cooking up the fire pit. I don't think I'm going to be up very long. I'm tired, actually. I did take a nap earlier in the hammock, but I think it was only maybe about 20 minutes. It wasn't a very long nap at all. They were leaf blowing the area, and it kind of lulled me to sleep. And then when they stopped, it woke me up. That's all there is to it. Simple dessert.
now, babe. What do you think about this place? You like it? I wish my daddy would hurry up and get here. He said he was going to be here for 7, and it's almost 8, and he said he was too tired to get up this morning. What do you think about that, Chico? I'm so cold. I just want to die. I'm so cold. I can't even think right now.
Good morning, everyone. It's Friday morning, and I was here last night at Valentine Lake. Went to bed, well, went up in the nest pretty early, like probably around the time the sun set. It was kind of mosquito-y, and I didn't feel like setting up the tent. So I went up, put the dogs up in the bed, and just climbed up there and did a little bit of video editing, started reading Malibu Rising, which so far that book is really good. Babe. My neighbor just said that there's alligators in the lake behind me, so I'm trying to like prevent this idiot from going run in the lake. I don't think they're very big though, so I'm not too worried about it. But yeah, so laid in the bed, listening to all the owls calling, and oh, it's so nice. Listening to the great horned owls just hooted up, pretty cool. Around 3 o'clock, I guess, I thought I heard someone rustling around in the camp. I didn't get up to look. Nothing was touched. I think it was probably just armadillos or raccoons or something. Got up this morning, made some coffee. I thought Red would be here early, but he said he had a hard time getting up this morning, so he's running late. He'll probably be here around 10. Got some new sleeping bags. Teton 0 degree bags. They're canvas on the outside, and they're supposed to be flannel on the inside. So I'm thinking flannel, you know, a natural cotton. No, that's some kind of synthetic blend. I sweated like a pig all night, and it was not hot last night. It was probably low 50s. Get all sweaty, take the covers off, get all cold, put the covers back on all night long. Red's gonna have a fit whenever he gets that sleeping bag. He is not gonna be happy, and I'm not happy about it either. So the search continues for bedding for the nest. If anybody has any suggestions, just let me know. I'm tired of the multiple comforters, but then the sleeping bag's not working either. So I don't know, I gotta rethink the situation. I don't know what we're gonna do today. I'm gonna cook. Got some fish, since today's Friday, first Friday in Lent. Got some fish, so we're probably gonna cook that with like a stir-fried veggies, and just having coffee right now. That's about it. Gonna just be a relaxing weekend.
Sites, as Paula will show. We moved from one site to this site with this view, which is way better. You can see pretty much the whole lake up on a little hill. The ground is flat. You don't have to go down the stairs. Just a much better site. But not that there was nothing wrong with the other one, just this one's better.
It's so nice and round.
So where were those things?
Somewhere in the closet, which, you know, it's finally time. What time is it? Step 2 time.
Step 2. Step 2.
Finally time. So we got these Shiner cocktail-inspired hard seltzers, 3 carbs, which is kind of high, but it's better than a beer. I got Ruby Red Paloma, and he's gonna try the Mexican martini. So what? Step 2.
Step 2.
We were supposed to have fried fish with a veggie stir fry, but I forgot to bring the flour to fry the fish. So we're going to have veggie stir fry, but I'm going to put the fish on top of it and steam it. This stuff right here, you can buy this at Costco. I haven't really seen it at the grocery store, but this stuff is so convenient. It's already cooked, it's already shredded. You don't have to do anything but open up the pack. Well, my plan didn't quite work out, so I had to put it in its own pan and fry it with some oil. It just wasn't cooking with all these vegetables. So I'm not sure what's up with that. Unfortunately, this night would be our last night at Valentine Lake. The next morning we woke up and we were having problems charging our battery, which runs our fridge. We were afraid that the food might spoil, plus the winds were blowing like 30 miles an hour and it looked like it was about to rain. So we packed up and we headed home, but we will return to Valentine Lake because it was an excellent campground. Thanks for watching. See you soon.